Good morning, I am Raúl Alfredo Paz. Goal number 212032A, raya 86. And today is April 30 del 2020. Important obtain evaluation and negotiation of technology to contribute to solving the problem of digital transformation in Colombia. Understand the evaluation and negation of technologies is of virtual importance since technologies making in Asia form us to manage information as maker advertise on production, create product market efficiency among many ten benefits. Within us an application of new technologies, both in our personal and work environment. It facilitates the fulfillment of our obligation, making observant can out profession people and important part the operation of the organization in which are going to perform as professional. Certain mountain that in it would with able to unkin software and technology through the analysis of technologies and software available in the market tag field or part and net and innovated in the market on the sector in which the organization for one we work operation we are going to be able to develop stand market or organization more competitive, manage more efficiently, and then that available on the web and the adjusting to the study time one carry outgoing international and external functioning in the land unit of the cons we are king the conway of the way in which we are going to acquire the software of technology increase for the organization the way in which we are going to present in a name for the board of director and turns in chair and approving the improvisation and implementation of the technology in the organization and also the way in which the name architecture with the angle evaluation of productivity and its benefits and also the trains of personal work with sustained technology and turns would be administered in good management. Thank you.